Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars reading out loud. Can you imagine? Yes, you can use your voice to make money, and you can do it from home. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, the method that I'm showing you today is actually not needing to have a website. You're not going to need to kind of promote any product, and you're not going to be using any little sites to make little money. You're going to use this one site that's going to teach you how to make big money using your voice to read out loud. I'm just going to show you in a second. But what I want to show you on this page right here is my YouTube channel. Since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out that I have this link up here. This shows you exactly how I make money online every single month using a method that allows me to make passive online income. And this video shows you an explanation of what that is. And so I hope you check it out, okay guys? So let's get on with the site I want to show you today. So the site I want to show you is at acx.com. And what this site is about turning books into audiobooks. So whether you are an author or a voice actor, this is the site you want to be at, okay? So for me and you, we want to be voice actors, okay? And it is not hard, and you don't need any experience because you could just go try it right now. If you know how to read, this is for you, okay? If you use this site, the audiobooks that are going to be sold, it's going to be sold on big platforms like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. So once you finish an audiobook, your voice can be heard from thousands and millions of people on these platforms. So it is a huge deal to be using this site. But not only that, I'm going to show you there's two different ways of earning on this site using your voice, okay? So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to click right here, are you an actor or producer? You're going to click that, okay? Then you're going to get to this page. When you get to this page, you want to look for find titles, open for auditions, okay? And you could learn a little bit more about this first before we go there, but I do want to go there. I want you to see what's going on there. So, but let me give you a little bit more information first. So, create ready for retail audiobooks. By accepting an offer on ACX, you commit to not just a rough recording of the narration, but to delivering a fully finished audiobook that complies with our audiobook submission requirements. Studios and narrators welcome. Whether you are a studio pro or an individual narrator, you can find work on ACX. And we're here to help. Learn how to improve your skills by watching our video lessons and tutorials. So they even teach you. So this place not only gives you the opportunity, but also gives you an opportunity to learn to get better at it, okay? And then you're going to increase your earnings right here. Learn how to increase your audience and sales, and see how easy it is to earn up to $75 with the Bounty Referral Program. Okay, so the $75 just to refer other people, and I'm not even going to talk about this part yet because the audiobooks itself, you're going to make a lot of money. So let me get to that point and show you that, okay? So this is just extra money. If you want to refer other people, you can earn up to $75 if you refer other people, okay? So that's just extra money. If you do well at this, I'm sure other people will follow your lead and you can make that kind of bounty money, okay? So right now you can see that we have 1,978 titles open for auditions, and there are over 126,000 producers to choose from and 108,000 books on sale at these three platforms. So this number right here has been much higher. I've seen it up to like 3,000 even. So right now it's on a little bit on the lower side, but you could click here or click on this orange button to find a book for your voice. So let's go there right now. So here I want to show you the 1978 titles match your search. So these are all the books that need our voices right now, guys, okay? So there are 66 pages of books that you can choose from, and then you can just filter, okay? You can filter by genre, gender, like the voice that they need, if they want a female voice or a male voice, how much you can make with it, and the titles, like different types of books that you want, or even a project length. Like you don't want to do super long books, you could do short books, so you could change that. So that's really good too. And you may want to do the voice age, because I mean you're going to be an adult, so you might as well use an adult voice, or if you're middle age or elderly. So there's different number of voices that you can filter by. Vocal style, so if you have an accent or some kind of very extraordinary sound to your voice, you might want to check some of these so that you can get specific books that you can read for your voice. So this is a really great way to find the books that you will audition for, okay? So once you find the book that you want, then you're going to download their audio script. So I found this book, for example. So if you clicked on this one is going to take about 7 hours. So this estimate length is usually the finished hours of you reading this book. So it would take 7 hours to read this whole book, but the actual work may be longer than this, maybe by an hour or two, because you may be doing some edits of your recording, and you may not, do one take only, so you may need several takes and edit that out. But if you can see here that this particular book, you're going to be getting paid pretty good money, okay? So for this particular book, it says that the estimated length is 7 hours and the budget is $200 to $400 per finished hour. So you're looking at, on the low end here, $1,400 to 400 times 7 is $2,800. So anywhere from $1,400 to $2,800 for one project, guys, okay? So even at 10 hours, even if it took you 10 hours total to do this one project, I mean, you're still making pretty good money, right? I mean, and it's not as if you do this all in one day. You could probably break it up, a few chapters a day. And so even if you did this for a whole week, I mean, 2,800, hello, that's pretty good money. And you could finish this in 2 days. That's like $1,400 a day, dude. So this is a very lucrative way to make money with your voice and just read these books. So you just go to Audition tab here, and you're gonna either, so sometimes the script is right here already, or you need to download the script, and then you're gonna have to click here to learn more about submitting auditions, okay? And then so you go through the audition, and what you want to do is obviously you want to audition to as many as possible. So just like any other audition out there, you want to apply to until you get offers, okay? As many offers as you can do, and you can really make a good amount of money doing this audiobooks, okay? For you to learn though, for you to learn how to do this better, this site is going to teach you. So you're going to go how it works. You go to narrators, and you're going to go through this entire page here, because you're going to learn how this works, okay? You're going to learn that not only that you can get paid per hour, there's another way to earn as well, which is going to be earning per sale. So if you don't do per hour, meaning you're not just going to get a fixed rate, and you're going to try to also earn just based on sales. So if it's a good book, so if you find a good publisher, and you know that that publisher has good books, good sales online, then you can make sure that you pick a book from them that allows you to earn per sale, because you may be making a lot more than the fixed rate if you do that, okay? So on this page, you're going to learn all that. So you're going to learn how to sign up. You're going to learn how to do samples. And then you're going to learn how to get paid. See, choose a per finished hour rate, or choose share 50% royalties. And then if you're unsure, you can choose both. So those are all the options of how you can make money from your time that you spend on these audiobooks. And they're all lucrative choices, obviously. Then you're going to try it's going to teach you how to audition, and it's going to go through everything, the whole process on this one page, okay? It goes through even accepting the offer, start recording your main project. Okay, this one's probably more for authors, but when you're finishing recording, you have more information here about how to submit it and what the standards are. So you want to make sure that you are producing high quality voiceovers here, okay? And then you're going to get paid. If you and your rights holder agreed on a pay for production fee, you will be paid directly by the rights holder. If you produce the audiobook as a royalty share deal, then you'll get paid based on 50% of the royalties on the sales and 50% of the $50 bounty payments. Okay, and then you can also come back for more, because you could just keep auditioning, guys, and keep on trying for more jobs on here, because there are many jobs. There are many books that needs your help, as you can see from the almost 2,000 books right now here, okay? And I've seen it much higher before. And if you are going to get the skill, or if you're going to make the skill even bigger, you can. There are other sites like Upwork.com. They have voiceover jobs, or even on Fiverr.com, you can list yourself as a voice actor, and you could get jobs on other sites as well. So this is only one site, and you could get many more sites, okay, guys? And if this is not something that you want to do, because this is not your thing to read, if you rather do typing instead, check out that second link in my video description, and you can learn how to do something that's more behind the scenes without using your voice, and you just type away on your own and make big money as well, okay? So I hope you check that out, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And please check out these videos beside me, because you can learn more ways to make money online, as well as learning how to make a big money, guys, okay? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.